short and
Tell me.
what purpose you are here to meet Mr. Vijay, the TVK chief.
Yeah.
You are supporting
First
him.
of all, I am correcting him. I don't want to meet. He won't be in that position to meet. You know, the current situation. Third time, first, second, third time he met the governor. But the governor doing the biggest wrong, biggest injustice to Tamil Nadu people. The elected body. He had to invite to form the government. The biggest fault. It is the biggest wrong example in this Indian politics. They're the ruling BJP government playing. They wanted to, I'm suspecting, they will drag to some time, one day or some hours, and they will impose the governor rule like that. And they want to implicate all the wrong planning and everything. But this is Tamil Nadu. Horse trading, it all started with the BJP itself. It's
But the
totally.
smaller parties are not extending the support to the TVK.
Because of the governor only. Let them free. You first elect him and make him CM. That is the customary thing. It happens in every state. But just now I told him now. What happened with this fellow, this Patnavis? How? Has he got majority? How they appointed a CM? You give time, 15 days, 1 month, they give time. Automatically they will assemble the assembly. They will prove in the assembly. That is the customary thing.
But the governor is saying it's the very start of the...
Very start governor, who is he to say? He doesn't have the right to say at all. Who is majority? He is having 105, 108, now 115. You go and form the government, you are the CM. That's all he has to do. He's a cunning fellow, he's a criminal act he's doing against the law. I am Mansoor Ali Khan actor. I am blaming the governor and the central BJP body and the other parties of the Tamil Nadu. They want to play.
It's too raining, our camera.
Not too raining. We are welcoming raining.
You look angry. The Tamil Nadu
government
is the same.
I am angry. Entire Tamil Nadu body who has voted for Vijay, the youngsters, everybody is angry with the BJP government. If they dissolve this politics, once again you announce for the press polls.
You are ready for the fresh polls, sir?
I am ready. Entire Tamil Nadu is ready. They won't get not even a single seat other parties they won't get.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Not even a single party in Tamil Nadu. Except all 234 seats, the Vijay will win. Thank you.